In this lecture, we learn about Bernoulli equation. The equation dy dx plus p of xy that equals to q of x into y to the power n. This equation or this kind of equation it's called Bernoulli equation. Okay, when n equals to 0 or 1, then obviously this is a linear equation. Now how can solve this kind of equation? Okay, if n equals to 0 or 1, then dy dx plus pxy equals to qx, or dy dx when n equals to 0 plus px minus qx is a function of xy that equals to 0 when n equals to 1. So these two equations are nothing but a linear equation. Okay, so this type of equation is called Bernoulli equation. Now how can we solve this kind of equations? Suppose n not equals to 0 or 1, then the transformation v equals to y to the power 1 minus n reduce the Bernoulli equation to a linear equation. In V, let the Bernoulli equation be dy dx plus p of xy that equals to qx into y to the power n. Now v equals to y to the power 1 minus n. Now multiplying y to the power minus n by both sides of this, so y to the power minus n dy dx plus p of x y to the power minus n, then 1 minus n that equals to q of x. Okay, let v equals to y to the power 1 minus n we take. Therefore dv dx take v equals to y to the power 1 minus n, and dv dx that equals to 1 minus n y to the power minus n dy dx. Therefore y to the power minus n dy dx that equals to 1 upon 1 minus n dv dx. Then the equation this can be converted to 1 upon 1 minus n dv dx plus p of x into v that equals to qx, that implies dv dx plus 1 minus n into px into v, that is 1 minus n into qx, that implies dv dx plus p1x p equals to q1x, where p1x that is 1 minus n into px and q1x that equals to 1 minus n into qx. So this equation is linear equation in V. Now you can solve this equation and answer. This Bernoulli equation can transform to this linear equation with the transformation v equals to y to the power 1 minus n. Therefore dy dx plus pxy equals to qx y to the power n can be transformed into dv dx plus p1x b equals to q1x with v equals to y to the power 1 minus n and px equals to 1 minus n into px qx equals to 1 minus n into qx. So this Bernoulli equation converts to this linear equation with the transformation this. Example: xy dash plus y equals x cube y cube. Now can be y dash plus 1 by xy that equals to x cube y cube, or px that is to 1 by x and qx that equals to x cube, and n equals to 3. Therefore v equals to y to the power 1 minus 3 that equals to y to the minus 2, and p1x that equals to 1 minus 3 into 1 by x, and q1x that equals to 1 minus 3 into qx, that means x cube, that equals to minus 2 by x, that is minus 2 x cube. Therefore v dx minus 2 by xb equals to minus 2 x cube. This is the teacher linear equation. Now solve this. This is the form dy dx plus pxy equals to qx. This is the form, that type. So this can be solved easily. Therefore dv dx minus 2 by xb equals to minus 2x cube has an integrating factor of the form e to the power integration minus 2 by x dx, that equals to 1 by x square. Therefore solution v that equals to exponential of minus this minus 2 by x dx into integration e to the power integration px dx into minus 2x cube dx plus c, that equals to x square into 1 by x square minus 2 into x cube plus c, this integration into dx, that equals to minus x to the power 4 plus c x square with the solution. And v equals to y to the power minus 2. Therefore 1 by y square equals to minus x to the power 4 plus c x square. This is the solution of this differential equation. Let next example be this: dy dx plus y equals to xy cube. Here n equals to 3, px that equals to 1, qx that equals to x, and v equals to y to the power 1 minus 3 that equals to y to the power minus 2. And we transform this dv dx where p1x that equals to minus 1 minus 3 into px minus 2, and q1x that equals to 1 minus 3 into qx, that is minus 2 into x. then transform equation be dv dx minus 2 v that equals to minus 2x. This is the equation. Then the integrating factor be exponential of minus 2 into dx that equals to e to the power minus 2x. So multiplying e to the power minus 2x dv dx minus 2 into e to the power minus 2x into v that equals to minus 2x e to the power minus 2x. This e to the minus 2x multiplying both sides of this. Okay, this is the equation. We have this, that implies d of dx e to the power minus 2x into v that equals to minus 2x or minus 2x. Integrating, we have e to the power minus 2x into v that equals to half of e to the power minus 2x into 2x plus 1 plus c. That implies v equals to x plus half plus c e to the power 2x. Now v equals to y to the power minus 2. Therefore 1 by y square equals to x plus half plus c e to the power 2x. This is the dz solution. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.